Hi guys, thanks for checking in. In today's video tutorial, I'll walk you through on how to change your password on Facebook. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged in. Tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under this section, tap on Settings. In the Account Center section, tap on Password and Security. Locate and tap on Password and Security again. Then you tap on Change Password. Now you tap on your profile name. You'll be prompted to enter your current Facebook password for verification. Next, enter your new password and retype the new password again into the fields. Facebook requires password to be at least 6 characters long and a combination of letters and numbers and special characters. Once you've entered your new password and verified it, tap on Save Changes or Change Password at the bottom of the screen. Facebook will then notify you that your password has been changed. So this way, you have successfully changed your Facebook password. Make sure to use a strong and secure password to keep your account safe. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video content. Bye, and see you in the next video.